Friends, before we start our 5-day boot camp, I would like to introduce to you the workouts. These are those kinds of workouts which you can do anytime in your home. And if you're not going to do any kind of a workout in your life, then it will be really hard for you to achieve your fitness. And if you really want to achieve your fitness forever in your life, then you need to have any kind of a workout routine. But I have seen among so many people that they don't even give 10 minutes to their workout. The workout routine which I am sharing with you, it applies on any person who belongs to any age. It belongs to any kind of a gender. So you don't need to worry about it. Just move your body. And in this very workout, I am introducing to all of you about the life energy, Jivan Shakti. What I'm going to show to you, what I'm going to prove to you in this very workout, that what is the life energy in our body, and how a person who is keep on doing the workouts and who is doing workout, why he is having the more life energy if we compare them with the with those people who are not doing any kind of a workout in their life. You will see the difference, that what is the meaning of a life energy, and what is the and if a person who do not do any kind of a workout, and he or she doesn't have any kind of a life energy into them. So if you have the life energy into you, then you will achieve so many things in your life. If you have the life energy into you, then not only your relationship will be improved, but your financial status will also be improved. So how to achieve the status to have the life energy in your life, I'll prove it to you in this very workout. If you are watching this in a day or afternoon, then you don't need to do any kind of a workout now. You can do it in the evening. But the particularly, this is a kind of a workout that before you go to your office, once you wake up, once you get fresh, and after that you just need to do this kind of a 10 to 14 minutes of workout in your life, and it will change your life forever. Here we go. First of all, we will start with the side bending of the neck. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, half rotation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Now, downside rotation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Friends, our breath is the most important thing. We need to bind our breath with our body. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, left and right. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Now, move your hands forwards and just bend it slowly. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. Friends, don't think about the rotation, think about your breath along with your body. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Amazing. Come on. Okay, friends. Now, bind your hands on your head. Stretch it. Stretch it. Come on. Seconds. Now move to your left. Give a stretch to your waist. The some more. Move to your right. Give a good stretch to your body. Your side waist should be stretching. 20-second hold. Great, friends. Now put your hands on your shoulder and move it. Whether you want to start with left or right, it's okay. But breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Come on. Now friends, the next workout. Once again, bind your hands. Push, push, and just stand on your feet. Push, push, push. Now friends, what is the next thing which you need to do? Make a butterfly pose. In, out, in, out. Now, take your hands backwards and push your head. It will be very good for your waist pain. कमर के दर्द के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज है ये। सर के पीछे हाथ लेते जाइए, हाथों को बांधिए और सर को पीछे रखने की कोशिश कीजिए, पीछे धक्का देने की। ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, अपने हाथों को सामने लेकर आके कर्ल कीजिए। यू नीड टू डू बाइसेप्स फर्स्ट। Side bicep curl. Great. Now shoulder up and down. 1, 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now then, side shoulder rotation. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Opposite. Always remember, we are doing every rotation in 20 seconds time interval. Great friends. Now make a pose with half leg, one leg in your hand, and push it forward and try to push yourself forward. अपने पैर को पीछे ले जाके अपने उल्टे हाथ से पकड़ लें और 20 सेकंड के लिए होल्ड रखें स्ट्रेच करने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा होता है कमर के पेन के लिए। नाउ दूसरी टांग से फॉर 20 सेकंड। Simply stretch your body. If you cannot move so much, it's okay. Just try. Now, just whenever you are coming down, then just you are leaving your breath and going up, taking breath in, out, in, out, in. It's a waist rotation for 20 seconds. Out, in, in, out, in. Now, simple workouts. Just keep your hand up for the next 20 seconds. Now push, now take a side bend and see your palm as you are seeing your phone or taking a selfie or seeing through your palm. अपने हाथों को देखते हुए साइड बेंड 20 सेकंड होल्ड. Once again, catch it. But take it up. Breathe. Take a side bend or let your side waist to be stretched. See your palm as you are taking your selfie. 20-second hold. Great. Now friends, just move bend towards your feet. नीचे झुक जाएं. 20 सेकेंड होल्ड रखें. अपने हाथ को ऊपर उठाएं. कमर सीधी रखें. 20 सेकेंड होल्ड. कमर एकदम सीधी रखें. 20 सेकेंड के लिए होल्ड करें. बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन होती है. जो लोग वर्क करते हैं कुर्सी पे बैठने का जिनका काम होता है, इट इज़ वेरी गुड एक्सरसाइज फॉर देम. Great. Now one leg up, one leg down. 20 seconds. Up, down, up, down. Now feet rotation. 20 seconds one side. Now left side. 20 seconds each side rotation. Once again friends, move your feet, change your leg. Simply left or right, no problem. Just move one time left, one time right. 20 seconds each. Now, jump. Simple jump for 20 seconds. Simply jump. For 20 seconds. Just run and jump. Either any one of them. For 20 seconds. Forward jump 20 seconds. Simply don't need to push yourself too hard. ज़्यादा जोर लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Simple. Now touch your butts for next 20 seconds with your feet. Simple. Now shake your body, shake your hands, shake your fingers, shake. Then if you really want to see the what is the life energy, then shake. अगर आपको सच में जानना है कि एनर्जी क्या होती है और हमारी बॉडी में कौन सी एनर्जी चल रही है और जीवन शक्ति किसको कहते हैं, व्हाट इज लाइफ एनर्जी, then just shake it with me and you will find out that what is the life energy. Shake, 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 shake. Shake. Shake, shake. Don't stop the shaking. Shaking doesn't gonna take so much time of yours. बिल्कुल बॉडी अच्छे से वार्म अप हो चुकी है. Shake your whole body now. Friends, ये जो शेकिंग होती है पूरी तरह से बॉडी को अंदर खून पहुंचा देती है. इट रियली पुशेस द ब्लड इनटू एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. Usually we spend most of our time in while sitting, while doing nothing, and this shaking is really helpful. Now shake, 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 shake. Shake it really hard. Shake as much as you can in morning. Shake, 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 shake. And now feel the life energy in your hand. You can see the life energy. Life energy कांप रही है अपने हाथों में. You can easily feel. और जब भी कभी कोई योगी होता है या फिर बहुत अच्छे से कोई एक्सरसाइज करता है, they really have this type of energy for them. Now take a deep breath. Now we are over. एक लंबी सांस लीजिए, होल्ड कीजिए, छोड़ अपने हाथों के साथ अपनी सांस को breathe in, breathe out.